Did you know that Sandy Munro remains bullish on Tesla stock? Despite a lot of investors losing faith in the leading EV company, Munro firmly believes in Tesla's potential. Stay tuned and keep watching to find out why. Huge investors who are extremely bullish on stock no matter what is hard to come by. They have to protect their hard-earned money, that's why. Still, there are those who believe in a company's long-term potential rather than the short term. In today's video, you will find out why Sandy Munro is extremely bullish on Tesla stock. Who is Sandy Munro, and why does it matter what he says? Sandy Munro is an automotive engineer who specializes in machine tools and manufacturing and is a frequent speaker and advisor to some of the world's top executives on implementing change and innovative development strategies. Although he began his career in the automotive and aircraft industry, he has worked extensively with global corporations of all types along with their suppliers. Sandy's experience and insight cut across virtually every segment of the manufacturing industry, which gives him a unique advantage in the area of technology transfer. In 1988, Dr. E. Deming, an American engineer, statistician, professor, author, lecturer, and management consultant, convinced Sandy to leave Ford and start his own company, which became Munro & Associates Inc. Since that time, Munro & Associates Inc. has helped manufacturers of all types of products, from airplanes to toys, appliances to medical devices, and automobiles to electronics, to save an estimated $50 billion and retain or return to North America hundreds of thousands of jobs. Because of his vast experience and expertise in the industry, it comes as no surprise that people put weight on his words. In that sense, Munro once said that Tesla is at least 10 years ahead of the competition in implementing upgrades to production cars on the fly. There are no competitors to Tesla, says Munro. According to the engineer, Tesla produces a product that's probably 90 to 95% there and employs a strategy of essentially waiting till people complain and then swiftly modifying things. In fact, he ranted against the stupid and biased treatment of Tesla FSD. He said that Tesla is the best and the leader in self-driving and driver assist. He insisted that it is insanely stupid for TSLA and Congress to go over Tesla for its self-driving. It is the US shooting itself in the foot if they slow down Tesla's innovation. Munro argued that combustion engine cars have far more fires than EVs. Self-driving and driver assist are making and will make cars safer. This is the best way to radically reduce 1.3 million deaths per year from cars. In a recent video on Munro Live, Sandy Munro once again expressed his satisfaction with Tesla. He shared how he got a look for the first time at how Tesla manufactures their vehicles. He said that he made a lot of comments and that if it were a normal company it would have been a huge issue. He said that Tesla, Musk particularly, has not been bothered by the slew of insults he slung. Munro made several comments and Musk followed up on them. This is why he believes in Tesla so much. The company is open to suggestions and constructive criticisms. The company always leaves a room open for improvements. Each of his suggestions to Musk was addressed. More than that, Tesla CEO Elon Musk doesn't stop at that, but instead looks for more ways to improve and innovate. Munro said of Musk, "He started out one way, he got a suggestion, he did basically what we thought would be the right thing to do, and then he went one step further. It is truly amazing to me that these guys can do so much in such a short period of time," Munro said, referring to the Tesla team. Although a lot of people think that Tesla is not worth the hype that it gets, Munro believes that the company more than deserves the praise it gets. He said, "The tip today for all the engineers out there is to start considering not what's normal in everyday practice today, but what we should be doing tomorrow. It's time to invent." And Tesla undoubtedly is a company that thrives on innovation. He said that it is an evolution other car companies should go through as well. He said that while it must be a tough pill to swallow for the executives and engineers, since it is a departure from the way they've always done everything. He said that everybody wants to do the same thing over and over, hoping for different results, but it is never going to change until they undergo such dramatic change. Are you a Tesla bull or a Tesla bear? Let us know in the comment section below. Among those innovative changes Munro mentioned is Tesla's GigaPress. Munro explained that the GigaPress beats out standard stamping when making a brand new product and is going to make more than 100,000 units of the vehicle per year. He noted that the break-even point for the GigaPress will probably be north of 100,000 vehicles before it is a benefit financially. Then it's gonna really shine. It'll beat the pants off a stamped and welded carriage. Lower platform, he said. He explained that the GigaPress with tooling will cost much less than a stamped product made from steel. On the other hand, when asked if he would buy a Model Y or a Mach-E, Munro explained that both vehicles are great. He also said he doesn't know enough about the new Ford model yet, so he's holding off on any full-throated endorsements until they have a deeper look. He said, "I have recommended both the Model Y, the Model 3, and the Mach-E to friends, and I said that's tentative. and I said I don't buy one until we tear it apart, the Mach-E. However, he personally prefers this Cybertruck and admitted that he is one of many who are eagerly awaiting for its release. He then commented on Cybertruck's exoskeleton. The exoskeleton upstairs is looking at basically a big monolith design. It's one big giant structure. It's going to have some welding and things like that here and there, but for the most part, it'll have a lot less parts than what we would find inside of a conventional, say, F-150 or something. Munro also commented on and praised Tesla for thriving even without a PR department. He said, "What a great idea. Somebody else should think of that too. I mean, Tesla gets in the news every day. Why? Because they have a leader. Can you tell me who the president of Volkswagen is? Do you know who the president of Ford is? Do you know who GM is run by? Do you know who runs Toyota, Honda, Kia, or Hyundai? No, you don't know any of them, but you do know who's running Tesla. Why would I need to have advertising if I had somebody like that at the helm? Why would I need advertising? Why would I need PR?" In terms of Tesla stock price prediction, chief market strategist at Capital.com David Jones said, "We are seeing more positive sentiment in stock markets in general so far this month. If global stock markets do stop sliding, then perhaps we will see investors happier to embrace risk once more. And that should raise the appeal of the high-growth heroes such as Tesla." According to Tesla Stock Forecast 2022 from Wallet Investor, as of July, Tesla stock could end the year at $946.42. Looking forward, the algorithm-based forecasting service estimated the stock to move back above the $1,000 mark and hit $1,305.60 by the end of 2023 and $1,675.99 by the end of 2024. Its Tesla stock forecast for 2025 expected the stock to trade at $2,037.64 by the end of the year. According to its 5-year Tesla share price forecast, the stock could hit $2,541.15 in June 2027. Wallet Investor didn't provide a Tesla stock forecast for 2030. Bear in mind that analyst and algorithm-based predictions can be wrong when looking at Tesla stock projections. While they are based on an analysis of the Tesla stock share price history, past performance never guarantees future results. That said, it is important to do your own research, read the latest EV market news, and conduct a Tesla chart analysis. Your decision to trade depends on your attitude to risk, your expertise in the market, the spread of your portfolio, and how comfortable you feel about losing money. Most of all, you should never trade more than you can afford to lose. Remember that investing is a risk in and of itself, so it is only wise to minimize as much risk as possible by doing the aforementioned things. For more Tesla stock content, visit our channel and watch our other videos.